Snapchat login error. Oops, we couldn't find the matching credentials popping up on your screen. Well, let me help you. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix Snapchat oops we couldn't find matching credentials error popping up on your screen. Now the first thing is it might be a simple bug or an error or a glitch. It might happen if your app isn't updated, or it might happen due to other certain reasons. Now the first thing you want to do is head over to your Play Store or App Store and search in for Snapchat and make sure your app is updated to the latest version of the app. If your app isn't updated, if you are on Android however or Google Play Store, you'll find an interface like this, and if your app isn't updated, you'll find the update option instead of this open option that you can see on the screen right now. However, if you are updated and problem is still happening, then what you want to do is reset your app. Now to do so, you can either head over to Play Store and uninstall and reinstall the app again, but if you don't want to do so, then what you want to do is scroll down your notification bar, and on the top right corner of your screen you can find the settings icon, and if you scroll down below you'll find the apps option. Open it, and here you can either scroll and search, or I'll simply search from search bar for Snapchat and open it up and head into stories here. And once in stories, what you want to do is clear your data. Now what this does is it basically is as good as uninstalling and reinstalling that app again. So yeah, it resets your application, but make sure you have the data to log in again, and then head into Snapchat once again and then open it up and log into your ID, and you should be good to go. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.